Reserve Bank of India has opted for a pause, second time in a row, maintaining key benchmark policy rate at 6.5% as inflation moderates. The Reserve Bank of India said that so far, 1.8 lakh crore rupees worth of 2,000 rupee banknotes are back in the system. And they've added that 50% of the 2,000 rupee currency notes, which were in circulation until March, have been returned. Listen in to what the RBI governor had to say.
So far as 2,000 rupee banknotes are concerned, you would recall that we had said as on 31st March 31st March this year, totally 3,62,000 crore notes, 2,000 rupee notes were in circulation. After the announcement that we made, totally so far about 1,80,000 crores, 1.8 lakh crores of 2,000 rupee notes have come back. And this is roughly about 50% of the 2,000 notes which were in circulation on 31st March. So 50%, with reference to that number, 50% has come back after our announcement. Broadly on a provisional basis, I can say that about 85% of the 2,000 rupee notes are coming back as deposits into bank accounts. And let me also take this opportunity to say that this is, more or less, this is in line with our expectations. And the good thing is that there has not been any rush in any of the banks. Going forward, I would, through you, appeal to everyone not to rush or not to go to the bank in a panic. Go at whenever you are free, aram se jaiye. But at the same time, one more request. Generally the habit is, we do things at the last moment. So please avoid last minute rush in the last 10-15 days of September.
My colleague Priyanshi joining us with a quick update. Priyanshi, the RBI claims that 50% of the 2,000 rupee notes are back in circulation, have actually come back in terms of deposits, and 85% are back in bank deposits?
That's right, Parmeshwar. That's what the Reserve Bank of India governor has said. This is significant because it's just been around 20 days since the 2,000 rupee notes were withdrawn by the Reserve Bank of India. And now the RBI governor has said that roughly 50% of the notes that have been withdrawn close to 20 days ago, they have been returned in terms of exchanges or in terms of deposits. Now, if we talk about the numbers, the RBI governor said that roughly 2,000 rupee notes worth 1.8 lakh crore rupees have come back to the Reserve Bank till now. So as on March 31st this year, 2,000 rupee notes worth 3.62 lakh crore were in circulation, and out of them notes worth 1.8 lakh crore rupees have gotten back. They have been returned. So that's why 50% of these notes have been returned in a matter of 20 days of the withdrawal being announced. So we still have around 3 months to go, over 3 months to go for the September 30th deadline that the Reserve Bank has given for the exchange or deposit of these 2,000 rupee notes. But the Reserve Bank, of course, had said that they will still continue to be legal tender. Now, in which form have these notes been returned? The RBI governor said that around 85% of the 2,000 rupee notes have been received so far in the form of deposits, and the remaining 25% have been exchanged, while 85% of the total notes have been deposited by people in their bank accounts. Now, the RBI governor also said that they asked people not to rush in the last moment, in the last 9 to 10 days close to September 30th. We still have more than 3 months, and the RBI governor said that we have enough notes in circulation, so people should exchange the remaining 50% of 2,000 rupee notes that are in circulation. Now, remember, the exchange of 2,000 rupee notes started on May 30th after the Reserve Bank announced the withdrawal of the currency on May 19th. So in around 20 days of the exchange deposit service, 50% of the notes have been returned. The RBI had said earlier, while withdrawing these notes, to highlight that the notes in circulation was already pretty less compared to the 2018 peak of the 2,000 rupee note. So in 2018, notes worth 6.73 lakh crore rupees were in circulation at the peak, but that had already come down close to 40% to 3.62 lakh crore in March 2023. So that just shows you that the 2,000 rupee notes in circulation were already coming down. Banks were also not issuing these many notes to their consumers. So anyway, they were coming down, but now 50% 50% of the remaining in circulation worth 3.6 lakh crore rupees have been returned in 20 days of the withdrawal of these notes. Parmeshwar.